Are you tired of missing key details during meetings or scrambling to piece together your notes afterwards? With ClickUp's AI note-taker, you'll never worry about missing anything important again. In this tutorial, I'll take you step by step through setting up and using ClickUp's powerful AI for meeting notes, so you can walk into every meeting confident that nothing will slip through the cracks. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're in your ClickUp workspace. This is your hub for productivity where all your tasks, projects, and now meetings are managed. If you're already familiar with the interface, great. If you're new, just look for your workspace homepage after logging in. It's where you'll start every session. Now look up towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option called Ask AI. Click on this. This feature is where much of ClickUp's incredible artificial intelligence tools live, and it's designed to help you work more efficiently. When you click it, the ClickUp Brain panel pops up. Don't let the name intimidate you. Think of ClickUp Brain as your smart digital assistant, always ready to help you get more done. Inside the ClickUp Brain, you'll have a prompt field where you can ask for anything. Type in AI taking down notes. It's a simple but effective way to let the assistant know you're looking to automate your meeting notes. In response, ClickUp AI will walk you through the requirements to use the AI note-taker. These are important steps to make sure everything works smoothly. To get started, you'll need to connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar to your ClickUp account. If you host meetings using either of these calendars, connecting them lets ClickUp sync your schedules seamlessly. This is vital because it allows the AI note-taker to automatically pick up when your meetings are happening and jump into action. Doing this might take a minute or two. Just follow the prompts to authorize ClickUp to access your calendar. If you're hesitant about security, rest assured, ClickUp uses secure authentication and only accesses events you choose to share. Next, you'll need to enable the AI note-taker Clickup in your workspace. ClickUps in ClickUp are like power-ups. You can toggle on extra features that supercharge your workflow. Find the workspace settings, often in the lower left or under your workspace name, and browse the available ClickUps. Look for AI note-taker and turn it on. Don't worry if you don't see it instantly. Sometimes updates take a minute to appear, so refresh your screen if needed. Once you've connected your calendar and enabled the AI note-taker ClickUp, you're ready to put the tool to work. When you're scheduling a meeting in your planner, take a look at the event details page. There will be a toggle labeled AI note-taker. Switch this on for any meeting you want automatic notes for. That's it. Behind the scenes, ClickUp AI will attend your meeting virtually and jot down every important detail, action item, or decision, almost like having your own diligent assistant in the room. This setup only takes a few minutes, but it can truly transform how you capture and remember your meetings. Whether you're running a team huddle, brainstorming session, or project update, you'll always have thorough notes ready to review or share. Give it a try and see how much time and stress you save. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart productivity tutorials. See you in the next video.